So this year we are excited to present our latest development, which is Lamilux Sensation. Sensation is our innovative surface technology for reinforced fiberglass, and it has a 20 times better resistance against UV radiation than the usual GRP. So Sensation gives our customers much more benefits in terms of less maintenance, better color stability, and so summarized, the surface will look much nicer and more glossy for a longer period of time, even under harsh conditions.
So the business is good in general. Of course, there are a lot of crises globally speaking. We have a lot of wars. We had raw material issues globally in the last years. So of course, it's a challenge for everybody, also for us. But we try to grow different sections. As from our history, we have a big growth history over the last 30 years. And what we're looking is for new applications, new industries where we can grow.
I would say overall we are pleased with the last years and our business in India. Like Oliver said, like many other industries and companies, we were faced or also affected by different global situations in the last year. But I think that our team in India has done a really good job over the past years in establishing Lamilux as a trusted and also well-known brand in the Indian market. If we take a look at our customers, we can see that more and more of them understand that investing into a high quality product has much more benefits on a long-term view for them with regards to durability and also less maintenance. And I think a good product quality is part of our philosophy, but what is as important is a really good service. And therefore our team is doing, especially in India, is doing every day their best to educate the market about the benefits from our products and also to build up strong relationships with our customers.
Yeah. And when I can add, when I remember 10 years ago in the Culture Show in Mumbai, it was always a challenge to convince people about GRP compared to steel. When you go now to an exhibition like that in India, it's mainly GRP, what you can see. So we see the market change, and thanks to Lamilux, but also others in the market. And yeah, what we see here is also, especially Rohan and Manjul, they do a great job. They have a great relation to the customers, and we try to help our customers every day.
I would see, if you, like you mentioned, Rohan, with Rohan, we can see Lamilux continuing its growth in the market. He is a dynamic person. He's very experienced. He has a very proactive approach, which can open many opportunities. So yeah, our strategy is to build on our current success in the market, educate the market about the advantages of our products. And I think we cannot imagine someone better than Rohan and our whole team in the Indian market to achieve our goals.
Yes, and also when you see the applications, the cold chain, there is so much room for GRP with all its advantages. So we will see also in the next years a good growth in the market. And yeah, India is for us, Lamilux, a very important market, and we hope it will be also in 10 years, 15 years.
Yeah.
Every market, every customer is for us important. Our existence of the company is based on customers. So we want to find customers everywhere, and it doesn't matter if there's a national border or whatever. So if we find a customer, we can support a customer. So that's what we are here for. Yeah. So I think 2024 will be similar like 2024. For 2025 and also the years after, we expect growth again. What we have to see is we have many innovative products like Sensation, like Lamilux Green, like our Thermoplast products, and we want to bring them into the market, but we also want to add new innovations. So that's what we are driven by, to make our products better every day. Also our service for the customers better every day. We want to be a reliable partner for our customers. So that's the target, not only in India, everywhere globally. There will be challenges, global crisis. The world is unstable these days, but we want to find ways to support our customers. So that's important. And of course, we are big in RV business, truck body, bus industry, but we also want to find new applications, new industries for our products.